Hello?
Hello, mechanic.
Yeah, who's this?
Oga, I know they speak English, Jerry, and Fred they talk.
Fred, that phone now.
Yes, I did your workshop now like this. I want carry my madam to come
out. Okay, no wala. I call.
Oh yeah, now sharp,
Oga Fred, mama,
now for you,
sorry.
Chief, do like this now.
Bye, greet you, money boss. How they be now?
I don't call you now. If you don't come up for
sorry. And you say me at the quick wake up normally, but yesterday I just take my time. Well, walk this motor because I say no can go far journey. You understand? So, but you know before I would, you guys give your body small rest. Understand?
Anyhow, I shall understand. So you talk to the car, they work perfectly well.
They whine me. Baba, take keys. Test them by yourself. You don't do it. Test them. Test motor by yourself. Make we know how it be. See, I'm trying to answer.
The engine sharp.
Quiet. Nobody put those car even dey on self. When I get paid for a job, I deliver.
You deliver. So how you talk now? How much be the money?
Maybe more. Don't go lie for you now. 20k.
Nah, which one be 20k? 20k too much now.
Well, I go lie.
You know, say they always carry work on for you. Why they do like this?
I know, but I don't feel like.
See, the truth be say, wait. The truth be say, madam just give me 20k, and you know, say I will see go definitely share now. So I will carry 5k inside.
I say you don't chop my money, you're afraid. You don't
be so nice. You my guy now.
No, wala, cash transfer.
No, na cash now. No mas, you know, say madam cash.
Abi.
Yeah.
When you trust everything will do here, ba.
As the odd, na man you be no.
Baba. Again. No, I make I go do 1 or 2. Yes.
As the odd, no yawa.
Smally. Come give my $2. Sharp. Move. Go fix that this. Sharp. Move corner for me, okay? This is my motor was we do yesterday. I never drop. Thank you.
Baby. Auntie, good afternoon. How are you?
Babe.
Baby, why you not hugging me well? Baby, hug me well now.
Oh, okay, baby. I don't want to stay in your body now. Yeah?
Am I complaining?
You're not, but I have to be reasonable. Yeah?
By the way, don't you think you need to wash this your overall?
Babe, this thing every day they dirty, so no need at all. You just come work, you don't dirty. So.
Okay. You know what? Take it home with you today, and I'll come and wash it tomorrow. Okay?
Okay. Voila.
Meanwhile, I bought you food.
I know.
Let me go and drop it for you there.
Oh yeah, now.
Okay.
Thank you. Do am here.
Okay,
Put
sir.
energy.
Okay, sir.
Put am. That's just the hold this my dirty hand like this.
I like it.
For now, how's it going?
It's fine. I miss you.
Miss you too. See as you don't call now, my body does weak. And then we feel walk again. I want to walk now. You don't weak my own bone. It's not weak.
Yeah, not serious. Anyways, baby, I need to go, okay? I have to go and deliver this one to my customers.
Right, what to do right now?
We have to go now. I just came to drop the food for you.
No, I can't get enough of you.
Don't worry, you see me soon, okay? Tomorrow, I'll come and wash this thing for you. Okay? Bye. Bye, Smolly. Bye-bye, ma.
Bye, Brady. How I want to walk this walk now like this now, I don't tire yourself.
You know what? Continue this at the comment. I guys, back at that food first.
Baby.
How are you?
Have fun now. I beg, babe, give me 21 spanner there, I beg.
21? Okay.
Sharp. What's the time, I beg?
Huh?
What's the time?
It's 6 o'clock.
Okay, make I just couple this car now. We'll go.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Come here. Mwah. Hey. See that?
Yum, 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 yum.
It was actually a wonderful walk here, though.
I know.
Walking with you and sharing thoughts about the future together, just something very phenomenal. Something I like doing all the time.
Sure, my mom is inside.
Right. Anyway, thank you.
You're always thanking me every time.
Hey, I can't stop thanking you, honey. It's not something I'm planning to stop anytime soon. I'll see you tomorrow.
I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye.
Wow. Really? You want to go like that? Huh?
Okay. What is it that you want?
You know what I want.
A kiss? Okay, come.
Okay. What?
Why do you do this all the time? You ask for a kiss and then you start checking if people are watching us.
Yeah, babe. I mean, your mom can be looking. You know how your mom is.
And I am an adult.
I know. But you're still under her roof.
So, what do you plan to do about that?
What do I plan to do about that? I'm going to marry you. I love you.
I love you too. Okay, I've got to go, okay?
Alright, baby.
Have a good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Aye. Home. Sweet home. Fred, my baby's still parked here, eh?
Yes, so your baby still gallant.
Oh, David!
Mama. Oh, let me look at you.
Look at you too, Mama.
My baby is home.
I missed you, Mama.
I missed you more.
Good to see
Oh,
you.
it's good to see you too. Let's go in, let's go in.
All right, Mama.
Oh, please help us get the bags.
Okay, ma.
Mama! Talk to me. What's going on?
So much to talk about. So happy to see you. Yes.
Mama, it's fine now. I told you I was busy with work, but I'm here now, so.
It's good years. Since you left for the UK. I never bothered to come home, even during the holidays.
Mom, I'm sorry. I told you I got caught up with work, but I'm here now.
I'm glad you're here. David,
Yes, Mom.
do you know my age?
Yes, Why?
Don't you think at my age I should be a grandmother?
Right.
I don't know why you keep giving excuses concerning you getting a wife.
Mom, it's not like I'm giving excuses. It's just that I've not seen the kind of woman that I want to settle down with.
Really?
Yeah. But not to worry. I'm here now. And my mission is to find a wife, get married, and then depart with her.
Seriously?
Yes, isn't that what you wanted?
That would be awesome. And you know what? You're going to get the coolest women here. Yes, I assure you.
Okay. Well, why don't we raise a toast? Even though we don't have wine glasses. Let's raise a toast to my mission.
Okay, let's raise a toast.
Oh, with a water glass.
With our water. So a beautiful mission.
I hope so, Mama. I hope so.
Yeah.
It's good to be back.
Good to see you.
This guy, Jude of Africa, how far now?
David,
Omo, what's up with you now?
I do. This one you're calling me with Nigerian number. What's up?
Omo, I just land like this evening, bro.
Where you there now?
I did my mama house like this, so.
I travel. Once I enter town, I'll come straight up. I'll come see you.
Alright now, just try see me as soon as you come. I don't think I see you, my guy. Don't think. We need to catch up on some kind things. Alright, take care of the family, man. Alright, safe. This guy. Fred?
Yes, sir.
Hey, I see you've washed my baby.
Yes, sir. I don't even gauge the tire yourself. I don't follow warm the engine. But I see say you go need some more servicing.
Well, that's not a problem. On my way out, I'll just stop by the garage.
Garage care. They go just use machine chop your money. You get to one correct guy, one correct mechanic, way no far from here. You go just sort them out in no time. Then they sort Momsi car. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, where can I find you?
Okay, in mechanic workshop not far from here. Just drive small distance before that total filling station. You go just see in shop for front. When you get there, just call me.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just keep your phone on. In case I get missing, I'll call you. Right?
All right, know your boss.
Ogami.
Hey.
Welcome, sir.
I'm looking for Bernard.
Bernard. My name is Bernard, sir. That's me.
Oh, okay. All right. Fred, he works for my mother. Do you know him?
Oh, Fred. It's not my guy. Correct guy. My guy.
Okay.
Anything.
I just want the car serviced, and the oil changed, and any other thing that you need to change it.
Perfect. Done, sir. No problem. Did you bring the oil?
Yeah, it's in the trunk.
Okay, no problem. Boss, I beg, sorry for this one. Just come and sit down in our shed. I beg, sorry. I beg. And you don't sit down there, I beg. I go do everything sharp. Boss, give me the key, I beg.
Since.
Okay, thank you, boss. Small. Show.
Babe? Baby,
Hey, babe.
how are you?
I'm fine, honey. How are you?
I can see that you're very busy.
Yeah.
So I brought you lunch. I'll just drop it at the corner, okay?
Okay, babe. Thank
Okay.
you.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Baby, I have to go, okay? I have to go and help my mom.
Okay, honey. Be careful, alright?
Bye. Bye, Smolly.
Give me the rag. Thank you. Boss, I don't finish, sir.
Oh. Yeah.
I don't finish, boss.
Okay.
If you test them. You are. Confirm.
Yeah. I like the sound.
Alright, boss. Yes.
So, how much is your fee?
It's 15K, boss.
15K.
Yes.
It's fair enough.
Boss, cash or transfer?
Cash.
Sharp.
All right.
Thank you, boss.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
All right. See you some other time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Really appreciate it, sir.
See you around.
Next time, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Big. Yo, how far, dude? Man, I'm good, my bro. How far are you in town now? Oh yeah, now no while I'm coming home like right away. I can gist my guy. Okay, bro.
My nigga! Dude! David, my nigga!
Come inside now. I did do you.
David, my nigga! Oh boy!
Man, it's good to see you, my G.
What's that Yankee fresh for your body?
Wait for you.
If I could come out remain there now, what's up?
I for remain, no. Well, you know how these mothers are. She's calling me every time. When will you come home? When will you get married? Well, here I am.
She's right, you know, you have to get married.
Guy, guess what?
My guess. I know they guess. Tell me, what's up? What's in the happen?
Bruh, I think I found a woman for me.
You're joking, right?
No.
You just came back and you just spent one night in this country and you're telling me you suddenly found a woman. How?
Yes.
How did you do that?
Bro, I don't know as I won't start to talk. Her beauty is so natural. And her curves, it feels like she was specially crafted by God or something.
You have to slow down, David. You have to slow down.
No, you don't understand. Listen, I have to have this girl. It's her or nobody.
You're joking.
No. I just say I messed up.
How?
I messed
What's up?
Like, I didn't ask her for her name. I didn't ask her for her number. Even the Bernard guy, I didn't ask him. It's like I was lost in the moment, my guy.
If I don't know you better, I would have said you're hallucinating or you're imagining things. Bro, you dey joke. Oh. Stop all this play. Be serious. Okay, tell me about Yankee. Forget the babe.
Nah, you don't understand how they talk. You need to see this girl, bro.
No, David. I mean, Mo, go inside. Go give me my regular. I don't drink. I remember. Mo, go inside. Come go give me my regular, bro.
You don't understand. No, just go inside first. No,
But like,
catch up
serious,
on
you're
the
looking good. Oh.
Jude!
My nigga!
Aji.
My God.
Come. Let's see what we go do. Yo, that girl got my heart trapped to the bottom. I've not been able to think straight. Wait, was this how Romeo felt for Juliet? I must find that girl. My heart beats for her. What could she be doing now?
So, tell me what you're going to be telling me. Me, I don't even. You like bad things.
I know. You need to like bad things.
Okay, babe. I have to be going. I need to go and see my mom before she starts panicking.
I can't wait to get married to you. Can't wait for you to be my wife.
And it's be an honor to have your last name.
I'll give it to you for free.
For free?
Mm-hmm.
For free?
Mm-hmm. Very soon.
So how soon?
Very soon.
Very soon.
Very soon, okay.
Okay. Okay, babe. I have to go now for real this time.
You have to go.
Yes.
Go.
No. Let me go. Bye.
Alright, let me walk you, okay?
Okay. Wait for me to wear my slippers now.
Yeah, no. Say hi to Mama from you.
I will.
Fred.
Oga. I greet you, sir.
Can see my baby is shining.
Yes, sir. I say I just touch am small before you come out.
Nice.
Yes,
Fred.
Yes, sir.
Could you help me call that mechanic?
You mean Bernard?
Mm-hmm.
Who's in Wahala?
Nah, no wahala. I just I want to change the oil.
Oga, I just yesterday you change oil now. You will follow service am. You think say too soon?
Nah, I just feel the oil is a bit coarse.
As in.
Fred, just call him for me.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello? Benny? How far now?
Welcome, Chief. I greet you. Welcome.
David,
Welcome.
how did you locate this place?
Biggest boss.
Hey, I greet you. It brings all my mother's cars here.
Boss, I beg. Fred tell me say you won't come change the oil we put yesterday for the motor.
Well, technically, yes and no.
Boss, I'm not quite following, But just 1 minute. I'm coming, boss. 1 sec. Babe, have fun now.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's the girl I was telling you about.
Take care, right?
You have customer?
Yeah. Later, babe. I know. Bye. I beg, sorry, boss. Make I drop my food, I beg, yeah? Thank you, boss.
That was her?
Nah, boss. What's that? What's that?
What's with you, David? You have to really calm down.
Calm down.
Of course. You haven't even spoken to her or asked her out yet. It's a good thing you found out early that she has a man in her life.
Bloody roadside mechanic?
A roadside mechanic. You guys even think that a roadside mechanic cannot have a girlfriend? Free that babe now. Free the babe.
Now listen to me. Read my lips and read it very carefully. I am going to have that girl and I'll have it to myself. Let me do a playback just in case you didn't hear me. I said I'm going to have that girl and I'm going to have her all to myself.
I like your zeal. But you have to ask yourself, is it worth it? Is it really worth it?
Why don't you ask Google that stupid question?
Bro, since you know one reasons with me, we'll catch up later. Let me see somebody. We'll catch up later, okay?
Jay?
Good day, Mom.
Good day, Jay. Why is your face purple?
I'm fine, Mom. There's no problem.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I am. I just need to get some rest.
Well, okay. Go and get some.
Yeah, that's the plan.
Babe, how are you?
I'm fine, baby. How far you?
I'm alright.
How are you? Come here. What's up? Are you done delivering the food for today?
Yes. I've delivered everything.
Alright, that's good. That's good.
Babe, I thought you had a customer a few minutes ago.
Yeah, it's gone. No?
Why? That was quick.
I came to drop the food you gave me. By the time I came outside, I couldn't find him again.
That's weird.
Yep, but it's a good thing. I mean, today is Saturday. You could go back home and do laundry and spend quality time with my baby because I'm not expecting any customer any moment from now.
You're not?
For the rest of the day.
Oh, yeah, now let's go.
Go on. Hold the drink down.
Stop. You know that we're still at the workshop. Yeah, stand up. Let's go.
You want? It's fine.
Alright.
Let me just confirm you. Everything is alright, babe. Everything is good. Let's go.
Everything is good?
Yeah, everything.
Have you've locked up everywhere?
No, I'll call small to lock up.
Okay. Shush it. See me whoop your ass soon. Why are you behind me? Baby, don't kill me now, please.
Which one now was it? Okay, this is my house now. Okay. I hear your thought.
Thank God you didn't kill me.
Come on now. 64. Let's go. Ha!
Ha!
I'm ready.
And I killed you, darling.
It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
I want to eat ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yes.
Yeah, no problem. I'll get you ice cream in plain rock, paper, scissors. If you win me, I'll get you ice cream. What do you say?
You that you don't have money, babe.
Who told you?
You want to see the ice cream to buy me?
I'll buy you ice cream. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, go. Rock, paper, scissors.
It's 3 now.
How?
It's 1, 2, 3.
Shoot. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You're a thief. See, you're a very big criminal.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
Rob paper scissors shoot. 1-0. Rob paper
No.
scissors shoot. What are you doing? Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Because you're doing
See, you're not playing yourself. Why? That would look like that.
I was just telling you that.
Dave? Why are you still up? And why are you sweating?
I just finished having an exercise.
With the jalabia on?
It's a thinking exercise.
Oh.
Why are you up?
Came to get my usual tea.
Why didn't you ask the help to get it for you?
She's been working all day. She's human, I know. She also needs rest.
She rests when she's done with her work. That's why we pay her.
It's just tea, darling. I can get you myself. Something seems to be bothering you. What is it?
It's nothing. I'm just worried about my friend.
What about it?
There's this contract that he's bidding for and he has a rival.
You know, I worked as a contractor for 28 years. You know, right? And I know how frustrating that can be. But your friend should know better that as a contractor, the highest bidder, with the right portfolio, wins. So if he's determined and works diligently towards it, I think he will earn the contract. He should never relent in going for whatever he wants. Remember, the highest bidder wins.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I must have her. Nothing would stop it. The highest bidder wins.
Hey. Now what's happening? How do you follow me for back like that? Hey, stop. Relax. Higher.
I think I've seen your face somewhere.
Of course you have.
Bernard's workshop.
Oof. Sharp memory. Another reason for me to admire you.
What do you mean?
Well, like iron is to magnet, I'm very much attracted to you. And I want to own you.
That's nice. What did you say your name was again?
David.
Okay, David. I am not a chattel that you can own. And for your information, I already have a man in my life.
Bernard.
Oh, you know us.
I do.
What's that saying again? You men have a slogan, right?
Hmm.
The men supporting men.
Well, look at you. You're like God's perfect design, and I want to spoil you.
Let's go. Look
Emily.
who we have here.
Oh, you're back.
Yes. So,
Oh,
let me
good girl.
count. 2, 3. Okay, this completes 10.
Thank you for your hard work. Take
Thank you.
some drink. I'm going to the market, okay?
Okay,
Bye.
So you mean he chased after you and told you all that?
And he knows you're dating Ben?
Yeah, I mean, I told him.
Oh, that's a very tight move. Oh. So what are you going to do?
I've already done it.
Okay.
I told him no. Yes, because I'm seeing someone and I'm not going to cheat on him.
Oh, hold on. Like, when you say you are seeing someone, you are sounding like you are dating someone different from the one we know. Ben.
Yeah, Ben and I are getting married.
When? It's been 4 years. 4 good years.
See who's talking. You'd have been dating Joe for how long? 9 years.
This is different. Okay? My case is different. Joe no get money. And I'm even the one denying him of marriage. But according to her, this guy has money. And Ben does not have.
Well done.
Look, anyways, my mind is made up.
All right.
And it's Bernard or no one, okay? And that's final.
Hello?
Hello,
Hey, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine. I beg, who are they follow talk?
It's me, David.
Ah, David, my son. How you there, man?
I'm okay. I just wanted to check in, know how you're doing, and how's Emily?
My son, I'm fine, no. Emily is fine. And thank you for today. Thank you for the money.
It's not a problem, ma. Don't
May
mention.
God grant all your heart desires, my son.
Amen. All right. Good night. Like I said, I just wanted to check in.
Good night, better begin. Bye.
Mission accomplished. Hey. Is everything okay? I mean,
I'm
you've been quiet ever since.
Something happened.
Hey, come here. Is everything okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
What happened?
There's a man asking me out.
Really? I mean, why you sad? It's not a bad thing now. It only proves that you exist and you're beautiful. So don't be sad about it.
Oh, babe.
Oh,
He's one of your customer. David, he left your shop this afternoon.
Yo. David, how?
I don't know how. I saw him at Mama's shop. And he brought us home this evening.
Wait.
And ever since then, Mama has been singing his name.
Yo, Mama, how?
He gave her money.
what's going to happen now? You're going to leave me?
Baby, why would you say something like that? You know that that's never going to happen. You know I love you. It's Bernard or nobody.
Thank you. Thank you. Look, listen. I love you so much, Emily.
I love you too.
I am planning for our wedding. Okay, I'm working towards it.
And I am waiting patiently for you, okay?
Yeah, please. Just hang in there, right?
Why are you asking? Are you suddenly his friend? Just checking. Whatever.
Now you they smell like this. This your perfume fit confuse woman.
Handsome guy.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Emily,
How are you?
who is that handsome guy? That's
So
David
what
here.
can I offer you? Have a seat.
Oh God. He looks amazing.
Rice and turkey is fine.
Oh, rice and turkey. Emily, I will accept customer rice and turkey. Thank you.
Go and save him now. Emily, go and serve him. Go.
Hi, Emily. Thank you. Thank you.
She made it. Like, so
really?
good. Yeah, she did. Good, right? Nice. What is wrong with you, Favor?
How?
Why are you smiling and discussing with him like that? Have you ever talked to Ben like that?
No, but this guy is different. I mean, he's down to earth. He has a good sense of humor. I mean, what more do you need? Just a little talk with him. I mean, I love his sense of reasoning. I mean, and his fragrance. Oh my
goodness! Can you just stop? Can you stop it? What's going on?
I don't know. Let's check.
Too much, Baba. You too much. Baba, for you, yeah. I just control sharp. Let me get this anger. Everywhere good. Now me get this anger. Now me get calm. Your mother number one. Your mother number one. Any day, Baba. Just Baba. You hear me? Baba, Swally. I see you.
What is going on here?
David here. He pay for food where everybody chop. He even pay for 6 months ahead. He's a good man.
And that's so kind of him. He's very generous.
And a good man, Evie.
Generous my foot.
Oh, thank you, sir. God bless you. You want shop any other thing? You get plenty things to chop. Stop more. I make a difference. Go ahead and give you. Okay. God will bless you.
Emily, what is wrong?
What is wrong is that you guys are not seeing the stunts that this nigga is trying to pull. He's obviously trying to steal your heart.
It's something wrong with that? Is that not the right thing to do?
Oh my God.
See, I don't understand what is wrong with you, but you have a guy chasing after you and you're pulling back.
Did I ask him to chase after me? Huh? Okay, look, fine. I've seen the way you look at him. You can have him.
Come on. I might be a wild girl, but I would never stop, steal your man.
And he is not my man.
But I would be. Listen, I want to be the man that will provide all of your needs. You get me? Cherish you above all of my possessions. Get to keep you to myself. I want to marry you.
That's so sweet. Don't worry, she will definitely come back to her senses. Okay? She will.
I know. I know.
So what now? He wants to marry you.
His exact words.
I'm a mess.
Babe, why would you say something like that?
But why won't I say it? Why won't I say it? Look at me. I graduated with second-class upper. Where did he keep me in society? I'm a roadside mechanic for God's sake. I placed my CV everywhere. No callback, nothing.
But why are you talking like as if I didn't graduate from that university too? Now don't worry, your future is bright. Okay?
Babe, please open your eyes. There's nothing bright about this future. That's why I have a man, my customer, trying to take my woman away from me. And I can't do anything about it.
Babe, what's your fear? What's wrong? Why are you scared?
No, babe. Look at it now, man. It ain't obvious. I'm going to lose you.
Don't say that. You're not going to lose me, okay?
Listen, I can't lose you. I can't lose you, honey.
Good evening, Mama.
Emily,
Ma?
stay here. Emily, why you do me like this? Why?
Ma, what do you mean?
How many years you and Bella don't date?
6 years.
And he never proposed?
No.
Now that kind man you won't be with. Man, we never ready. You just give my free food and your free food.
Mama.
David, we come from America, saying one married wife. He saying like you as you find you fresh. But for me, one. You say no, that you will die in poverty. Because you don't like good things. That's why you have sworn to be with that useless boy.
Mama, don't talk about him like that.
Don't talk about him like what? Fuego beleful person, you no go know.
No, Allah same food fit purge you.
Make it purge me. See, I'm not playing with you. I know one carry my eyes see that, but you come and cut that useless boy around you. If I see him, you will not like me. See, if you're about to die in poverty, me, I will not die in poverty. Just get inside. I don't want to see that boy close to you. Which kind of nonsense with that? My man. My man. Which kind of man? What do you sabi?
Omuta.
Hey. What? So you're not going to greet one of your customers? Especially the one that comes here with a very fat pocket.
Customer that's trying to steal my woman, huh?
You're a woman. What makes her your woman? Tell me. Have you put a ring on her finger? Ouch. Of course, you can't afford one. Oh, wait. You can actually afford one. Those rusted irons from their bookies, eh? All right. Here's what I'm proposing. I don't want this to be like one of those movies. How about I upgrade your workshop?
For what? In exchange for my woman, right? You know, I've seen this scene so many times in a movie. You get to make the offer, and I think about it. Well, here's my response. No, thank you.
Hey, you stand when I'm talking to you.
The only reason why you're not picking your teeth from the ground right now is because I'm in a good mood. And you should be happy.
David, what's up now?
I do, my bro.
I've been trying to call you.
Really?
You were not taking. What's up?
Man, my bad. My phone is on D&D, man.
Really? Or you've been trying to avoid me because I said you should free that babe?
Why would I avoid you?
Okay, let me take you for your word because I don't want you to force things. You know, when it comes to emotions, you force it, you get it busted. There are many beautiful and curvy girls out there. You go pick one for yourself.
I've heard you. In your words. I don't free, I'm happy.
I don't trust you, David.
Oh, yeah.
I know.
Watch go soon start, Jerry.
Now your club they play today, Abby.
Suppose no now.
Ma see the drill in first hand. Because they complain say that they always win. So okay. Today ma see for my eye, they trash and I no good first.
We thank God for today's sale. God is always faithful. Your phone is ringing. Pick it now. Pick the call. Make I hear am.
Hi.
Emily, did you just say hi?
Yes, hi. Is everything okay?
Yes, I did not see you today. You did not stop by to give me food.
We're not able to prepare.
Oh, okay. Are we seeing tonight?
I don't think so, because I need to help my mom prepare.
Oh, okay. Take care of yourself.
Bye. Why is this number not going through? Why is he not picking my calls? Bernard! How are you?
Babe. Have fun now.
I'm
How are you?
good.
What's up now?
I'm okay. I brought you some food.
Oh,
Yes.
thank you.
Baby, I have to go, okay?
No,
I just
no,
wanted
no.
to give you food.
Come here. Mwah.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Take care. Jesus Christ, Jesus.
Maintain. They hear me so? I don't get anything, I swear. I don't get money.
This guy.
I do not get sense. Who tells you now money carry me come here? That's what I did. That's what I did. We can tell you now, you don't lose guard big time.
You don't think?
And person who lose guard must stop him.
Was collect.
Lose guard? How? How now? How to lose guard? Oh, you don't want me? I tell you now, you get one sheep where you get. And that sheep, you don't feed them. In fact, that sheep not dey your level. I don't get sheep. I don't get sheep. Guy, shut up. Okay. My chairman want that sheep. And you don't want to leave that sheep. You must chop her. Big time! You hear me? I hear you. I go give her the sheep now. I don't know.
Today I go make you understand. Since you don't understand, you go understand today.
I don't get sheep. Now forget you. I don't forgive her sheep. Jesus. Ma, tell you now, leave him. You hear me? For more eye, for big man food. Or else you go lose this your eye.
You go lose your two more eyes the way you get. But you go lose both of them.
Come on, they go. Now they look me.
No.
I man.
Let me put the question. Give him water. We need water.
Enough.
Bernard! Babe? Who's this guy? Bernard! Why is he not here? Babe?
Yes.
Where are you? Why do you sound like that?
I'm home.
Okay, I'm coming. Okay, see you. Bernard!
Hey.
Bernard!
Yeah.
Bernard! Babe! Jesus Christ, what is wrong with you? Babe! Oh my God! Babe, what happened?
He was attacked in the shop today.
Attacked? By whom?
They didn't see their faces. They were mask.
Max. What did they say they wanted? Is it money?
Well, money? No. They said that I was with a sheep. I should leave a sheep. I should leave sheep alone. I don't understand what they were saying.
What are you talking about? What sheep are you? Oh my God, I'm so sorry, babe. Babe, you know what? Let me quickly rush and get you meds and ointments, okay?
Okay.
And use hot water to press it down. Oh, Christ, what kind of nonsense is this now? Who will do this to you? I'm sorry, okay? I'm coming.
Okay.
Hi, Mama.
Hey, my son-in-law. Good evening. How are you?
Fine.
Welcome.
How are
How's
you
everything?
today?
We're fine.
Hi, darling.
Who's your darling?
You are my darling.
Must be clearly mistaken.
I have a gift for you.
Don't worry, I'll get the gift. You know, children of nowadays, they know what is good. In those days, our mothers would collect gift on our behalf. I'll collect for her. Favor, take her.
Mama, it's an iPhone. The latest iPhone, and it's worth over 2 million naira. 2 million.
Hey, my son.
More than that.
Thank you. God will bless
thank
you.
Thank you. We'll
People should keep talking. We'll continue the talk.
Let's leave you.
We'll keep the gift. Talk. Good man. 2 million.
2 million.
Emily, I love you.
You love me indeed. You think I don't know who you are? Or what you are?
What?
You think I don't know what you did to Bernard?
What did I do to them?
You think I don't know that you beat Bernard up?
Jay, you look upset.
It's nothing, Mom.
I don't think it's nothing. What is it? Tell me.
Fine.
JV?
Hi, Emily. About the other day, listen, I'm sorry about last time. Sorry I got into a scuffle with you. It's just that I really love you beyond any reasonable doubt. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's so sweet. You don't have to apologize. Eh? I mean, there was nothing wrong with you fighting for what you love. You're a woman. And pay no attention to that Bernard guy. Like, he's a very, very, very useless person. Don't mind him. He's at fault.
I'll take my leave.
No, leave. We have food that we can give you. You have turkey, a lot of delicacies. Just sit. Don't let Bernard stress you. It's not worth it. Sit. Okay? Let me get Mama to give you an amazing food. Hi, baby.
Hey, honey.
You sound so much better.
Who will not feel better with all the nursing and pampering that you've been giving to me?
Well, I'm happy that you're much better.
Are we seeing tonight?
Definitely.
Alright, I love you.
I love you too. Bye. Yeah.
Emily, why they smell like you in lottery?
I'm just happy, Mama.
Customers, now don't they okay? Thank you for patronizing me. Oh. Emily, I won't see you. Emily?
What?
David tell me something. He say he won't send you go driving school. Say he won't buy car. Give you.
This is it. Mama, I don't need it.
Huh? You hear what I talk? I say David won't buy car. Give you.
Mama, and I said I don't need it.
Emily, why you like poverty like this? Huh? So now today follow that Ben with that lege. Now you like. Look, let me tell you. No be toy can won't buy na car. If you spoil this chance, I don't want to ever see you close to that Ben. Because that Ben they confuse you. And you come and go and buy something from the market.
Babe, thank you for coming into my life.
My life would be empty without you.
I gotta... Look. Good night, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I gotta go.
Who is that? You cannot be knocking like this now. Who goes to catch some surprise? Come with it.
Please. They say when you leave ship for good shape and make intend down. You dey push on Abi. No, now, please now. Come, keep quiet. Keep quiet. Now, beg now. Keep quiet. I beg, please. This na the last warning. Make I tell you now. Leave Emily alone. Yes. You dey hear me? Yes. Poor mechanic like you. They dey fear. Poor mechanic like you. Leave am go. You get up today. Last warning.
Babe.
So good afternoon, ma.
How are you, Smolly?
Fine.
Where Mr. Bernard?
He did not come today, ma.
By this time. Okay, thank you, yeah?
Okay, bye-bye, ma.
Bye. Babe. Baby. Baby, what is it? Why do you look like this? Are you sick?
Baby,
Talk to me now. What happened?
I was attacked again. And this time around, I know their aim.
Their aim? Baby, what are you talking about now?
Baby,
talk to me now. What happened?
We need to take a break. Okay? We need to call this relationship off.
What?
Look, babe, listen. They threatened me. Okay? This is the next time they see us together. They're going to kill me.
Baby, listen to me. It's what you said. It's a threat.
A threat is going to become a reality if I don't leave you alone. Babe, listen. I love you. Okay? I love you so much. But I can't die now, okay? I don't want to die now at all.
Baby, please don't do this, okay? I love you.
Listen, they might be watching us right now. She told me that they're watching us. The
Baby,
next time we see us
don't do
together,
these things.
they're going to kill me.
Baby, please. Can you just stop?
Oh God, come on.
Please, I beg you in the name of God. It's me, baby.
Just don't make this harder than it already is, please.
Baby, please.
Emily, just go, please.
Please,
Emily, please,
you,
just
please.
go. Just leave. Emily, leave! Please. Just the door. Just the door. Emily, go!
Benny, my man. Benny. Afana. Why they hang my hand?
Fred, what do you want?
Well, which kind of dirty question be that one? Who picks my madam Kajare?
I need to touch that car. Can I come up for this workshop?
You don't tell me say you don't start ski too. You don't turn prankster.
Do I look like a joke to you? Or do I look like I'm joking with you? Eh? I don't fix cars of people whose family members are trying to steal my girlfriend.
Ta! Which kind of talk be that? Who be thief?
David. He's trying to steal my woman.
Oga David. Oga David, steal your woman. Like how? How now?
David and I had a fight. Listen, carry that motor. Come up for this workshop. I'm not touching it. I know they fix them. Carry and come up for you. I take on him beg you.
Benny, I don't understand. Benny! Ben!
Oga Jeremiah, your money don't dey reach 4-5. You go try pay me fast.
Hey, my in-law! Oh, yeah.
Good to see you.
You're welcome. Please have a seat.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Please, what can I offer you?
I'm fine.
Please, feel at home. This is home.
Thank you.
Hey.
Hi. Listen, I'm sorry. I know you probably hate me, but at least can we be friends? Have a drink, do what friends do, sit out, just have fun. Please?
It's fine.
Really? You do that for me? I got you something.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Don't worry, she will come for the date. Hey.
See you around.
Thank you. Bye. Go away. Thank you. I say your money na 4-5. Say you go soon give me the money. You know go dey chop free.
Let's go break at 4-5.
Don't worry. Chop this one finish. You go give me my money. God.
Wait. Marry me.
Yes, I would marry you.
You will?
Isn't that what you wanted?
Yes. Yes, thank you.
But I have a condition though.
Yeah, what is it? Tell me.
No sex until the marriage, and I need time to plan it.
Done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh God.
Small, waiting happen now. What is it?
How did they catch me?
Now, I'm going to catch you already.
I no chop yesterday.
Take, go buy food.
Thank you, sir.
Buy me water as they come back. Oh.
Okay.
Ben! Boy, that thing where you talk, I don't confirm am. When I true, see him. Check am. Ha! Woman! You see why I know they like trust woman? They go always disappoint you. They go always want to break your heart, but no worry, no reason now. Better one they come. You be man, chest down. Better one they come. You understand? I beg, no reason now. My man. No reason now, I beg. Ben!
I bought this ring thinking that I was going to engage her.
You. Guys. Slow down. Kobo. What have I done again now? What's that I do?
Put on your best clothes. David say may come witness in wedding to your ex.
I don't want to go that place.
Come! It be like say, you know that cause I talk to you nicely, Abi.
If there's anyone here who has any reason why these two should not be joined in holy matrimony, let the person speak now or forever remain silent. Okay, you can now commence.
There is.
What is it?
The pastor asked the question, right?
So, why would you not marry him?
Because he's a heartless man and a bully. He tried to bribe his way into my mother's house so that he can steal me away from my man. As if that was not enough. He had my boyfriend beaten and caused us to break up. I would rather remain single than get married to you.
Wait, what? Who told you that I beat up your ex?
Oh, I knew. I thought I wasn't going to find out. Thought you could buy me? No. While I was dating you, I saved up some money. You thought I was that cheap, right? Well, my heart belongs to someone else and it has never changed.
Alright, that's enough. You are mad!
You calm down, David. Take it easy. Lord have mercy. What is all this? He did all this? this young man?
Emily. Babe, listen, I didn't mean to ask you for a break. Okay?
It's fine, Bernard. I mean, I should have told you about my plans from the onset.
It's fine.
Wow.
You marry me.
Yes. Oh, so you love him? Right. Wait, let me bless you people first. Let me bless you people first. Wait, okay, you can see they've exchanged some vows and they're holding hands. So let's do it. I bless you in the name of the Father and of the Son and the Holy Spirit. So, from you are blessed. So,